If you want to learn how to disable suggestions for posts you might like on TikTok, follow these easy steps. First, open the TikTok app. Then click on your profile at the bottom right of the screen. Then, click on the three lines at the top right. And select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Once you're in the settings, go to the Content and Display section and click on Notifications at the top. Scroll down until you see the Personalized Post Suggestions section, and switch off posts you might like. You can also turn off suggestions from people you may know. It's that simple. By following these steps, you can easily avoid seeing posts that you're not interested in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.